Hello, this is Manesh Patel from IMTF Trade. Welcome. Today is January 2, 2018. I want to wish everyone a happy new year. Hope everyone's holidays went well and wish you guys a happy trading for 2018. We're going to begin this year by starting off with a market forecast for January, what typically happens for the U.S. stock market. Okay. Before we begin, let's go for a normal disclaimer to state this is for education use only. We're not soliciting you to buy or sell a particular instrument. If you do so, you're doing that at your own risk. All information is owned by EII Capital Group, cannot be copied or distributed without our written permission. So let's go straight to the charts and go from there. Now, before we go to the charts, what we're going to do is we're going to go to alerttrades.com. This is where we have our free seasonal outlook there. Okay, we're going to come over here, choose January. Right now, we're still uploading the 2018 data. It should be available within a day or two because we have to crunch all the data for all global markets for all of 2017 and upload it, and then we'll have all the predictions for 2018. It's not a problem. Reason why is we're going to look back at 2017 here, okay? And you could see here, over here, you could see as a high probability, it's a 56% probability going bearish, okay? And if you guys have seen our seasonal videos on the alert trades, you notice that we're always looking for something that's 70% or higher, and also SIV value of 10% or higher here. This doesn't quite fit that criteria, so what we're looking at pattern recognitions here, okay? And what you could notice here is you had 3 down years, 3 up years, and then 3 down years here, okay? And that typically meant 2017, you're going to have a high probability of being up or just barely being up with a little consolidation pattern. So right now, if this pattern continues, basically 2017, 2018, and 2019, we should have a bullish year. So let's look at 2017, what happened. Well, sorry, not bullish year, but bullish month for January. Let's look what happened in 2017. It feels really bullish. And then let's look at what's going to happen this year. So here is a chart here from TradingView. Hope everyone could see it now. Hope everyone could see it. Let's zoom in on 2017. And remember, it was basically a pattern year. So 2017 January should have been an up year. And if you look here, we kind of ended right here, right about there, which is around 2233.50. And by the end of the month, we ended up somewhere right here. So at one point, it went all the way up to about here. So if you look at the percentage increase here that the market went through on that month, this at one point it went all the way up here, so it had a 3% movement up. So at the end of the month, it did go up. So pretty much the pattern changed from typically in January, where it was 3 down years, 3 up years, 3 down years, and started last year and being up year. So there's a high probability that this year too, it'll be a bullish year, bullish January too. So if we're looking at the charts right now, this is kind of where we're at right now with the charts. And you could see we have the IMTF technology here along with the clouds here. And you could see here right now, we're kind of not doing anything. We had the IMTF resistance here that just started today. And you could see that we're kind of above it right now. So that's a support right now. So we're beginning this year off a good year where it is bullish right now. Let's go down to a 4-hour time frame, kind of get a little zoomed in view here before the daily. And you could see here, we're starting off 2018 as an up year so far. So you could see we pretty much held the bottom right here. We bleeped below the cloud here, but then we pretty much came right back here, came right here, and now we're going higher. We broke the IMTF resistance. We got to see on the 4-hour, we close above it. If we do, then we got a high probability of retesting this high and keep on going higher. Okay, so the 4 hours basically still looking bullish, believe it or not. I know you have this little bleep here, but 1 bar below the cloud really doesn't make a difference at all, especially when momentum here was not good. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at a 1 hour here, and you could see here from a 1 hour that basically, we're just waiting for the charts to pull here. We broke here. Now we got to see this IMTF support here hold. As long as this level holds here, then we still have a high probability of going up and so forth. But there is a prediction for this month to pretty much be, and you can see here from the alert trades, what is the percentage, and you typically have, notice the first year, whenever it goes bullish, it's around 3%. The second year is 3%. So we have a high probability at the end of this month that we're going to end up 3% higher. Remember, there will be some drawdowns within the month, but at the end of the month, between the beginning and the end of the month, we typically will have a 3% probability of being higher. Okay? If you guys have any questions, you can email us at info@eiicapital.com, and you could even ask us for our videos to show you how to use the IMTF technology to consistently make money. Thank you.